Hello, today I just want to give a quick tip about case-insensitive matching in BigQuery. So maybe if you're like me, your first instinct is to use a like statement. So the one issue about that is that like is case-sensitive. So if I were to run this, and I'm back here with the Office data set, if I were to run this statement here, and I'm just looking for all these lowercase whites, if I run this, I am not going to find anything because all of those are capitalized. So I'm going to comment this out, and I can use regexp contains instead. So if I do where, and then regexp contains, and then the first thing I pass into it is the description, which is the name of the field, and then I'm going to pass in the regex, so it'll be Dwight. First, I'm just going to pass it in just as a straight regex, and this isn't going to return anything either, but I'm going to add in the insensitive flag. So it's in parentheses, question mark, I, and then that indicates that I want this to be an insensitive match, and I'm going to run it again, and then now it's going to return everything, uppercase or lowercase, instances of the phrase that I'm passing in. So now it's just like, but it is now case insensitive. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested, please subscribe for more on BigQuery, Data Studio, Google Analytics, and Google Tag Manager.